Look at that, folks. Wow. Easily one of my biggest crappies. This one is about at least a 12 or 13 inches. Feels like it's at least about a quarter pound too. Look at him. That is a good sized crappie. Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Blades and Bait. Anyway, I am out here on the other side of Hoover. I've never been here, but this is where some of the people I spoke to at the bait shop said they did pretty well. They said they caught quite a bit of crappies out here. It's a spot that's definitely not very noticeable. In fact, I have to cut right through the woods just to get to it. Hopefully we can do something, because it's been 2 weeks since I caught my last bass, and that was the day that I caught me 10. Since then, I've been lucky if I caught a bluegill. Even when we went out there to Lake Erie. Spent the whole entire day and caught me one bluegill. Anyway, see what we can do. Yeah, nice little cove away from everything. And since the past couple weeks, I haven't really did much with any of the lures or even worms. They said that this time of the year I'll do better with minnows than I will using worms. So today we're just going back to the basics. I'll be using something that I haven't really used in the past 5 months, and we'll just give it a shot using minnows. I'll be using my float setup with a number 4 octopus hook, one split shot, and a clear slip bobber. See if there is anything out here. Just picked up a brand new batch of minnows. Again, something that I haven't really used in probably about 5 months now. And of course, with me, I like to stick it right through the body. To me, it just stays on the hook a little bit better than if you nose hook it. Okay, well, let's give this place a try. Hopefully we can catch something today. I'll see if I can do some catfishing here and see hopefully we can catch us a catfish. That's another thing that I haven't caught in about a month. I'll be using my Santee Cooper drop shot. Basically, I have me a ½ ounce bank sinker tied to a dropper loop with a size 2 octopus hook and a basic styrofoam peg float. I'll be using some leftover shrimp that I still have. I don't have much left. There we are. There we go. Of course, I'll be using my automatic fishing pole holder here. And hopefully we can actually do something today. Yep, just need to buckle this in. Reel in some of that slack. and just pull the line over the trigger. There we go. Ooh, something might be on the shrimp, folks. Saw the pole move, but it's not a bite yet. I think something's just packing. Ooh, oh, there we go, there we go. Oh, oh, missed it. No, I caught something. Wow. Actually caught me a bluegill on shrimp. That's a first. This guy is ice cold, but yeah, there it is, folks. First bluegill I ever caught on shrimp. A 6-inch bluegill. Oh, that was definitely unexpected, but
so I have the jig, the weight, and then I have...
And a gulp minnow on top.
Yep.
Here we are, folks, out here at Twin Bridges, and here to join us today, guess what? It's the infamous digital artist himself, the Picasso of the internet. He is... Oh, Brad. Damn it. Anyway, we're out here back at Twin Bridges. Can't believe on how far the water has receded. So far, I caught only a couple bluegills. One was on the catfish rig on the shrimp. That was the first. Then again, a couple of weeks ago, I did manage to catch me a bass. No more than 10 minutes being out here. There it is. Ooh, a bass. Caught a bass using shrimp. Look at the size of this guy, folks. Look at him. Easily over a pound. A good sized bass. First bass I ever caught using shrimp. Good size. About 1.25 pounds, maybe about 1.5 pounds, and about a 13 or 14-inch bass. So there it is. See what we can do. Last year I did pretty well out here, but so far this year I haven't did much. We'll give it a shot with live bait. Let's see what we can do. Yeah, that's the main thing about it, is that lately I've been using the power bait minnow and the gulp minnow, but past couple of weeks I haven't really caught anything, so I'm going back with the live ones. Oh, this one have a lot of action in it. Look at that, folks. Looks like there's quite a bit of ripples. Maybe those are bait fish. And if that's a bait fish, usually something bigger is nearby. Oh no, something is on it, I think. Ooh, yeah, caught something. Ha! Oh, wow. Ooh, this is good eating size. Look at that, folks. That is a good size crappie.
And your hook is gone.
Yep, and he swallowed the hook way in there. Look at that, folks. That is a good sized crappie. Caught him on the minnow. I'll probably end up keeping this guy, especially since he swallowed the hook. First one I'll be taking home in a while. And one thing for sure, if you guys never had crappie, they are good. Okay, let's give it a shot again here. After all, usually, if you catch one, you usually catch some more. Let's give the minnow a try again and see if we can actually have ourselves a meal. There we go. Yep, that's the key, folks. Even when using live bait, give it some action. That's definitely the methods that's been working out for me. Wow! Easily one of my biggest crappies. This one is about at least a 12 or 13 inches. Feels like it's at least about a quarter pound too. Look at him. That is a good sized crappie. Now we have ourselves a meal. That is a nice looking crappie. Unfortunately, I think my phone died during the time that I caught it. Oh well. Not too shabby, folks. Well, there you have it, folks. Not a bad day at all. 2 weeks of nothing, barely catching anything, catching only a few bluegills. Today definitely made up for it. As you can see, if everything else fails, go back with live bait. Usually you still can catch something. Anyway, if you guys like this video, please smash that like and consider subscribing, folks, for some more fishing, knives, and kit videos. You guys take care, and I'll talk to you later.